Hey guys, welcome back. This is box 2 of 2019 limited hobby box. 15 cards total, spread amongst 3 packs. Gonna have 2 of those will have an auto and 1 will have a memorabilia card. Box 1 was pretty decent. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. It's only a few minutes long, with it only being 15 cards total. It's not gonna take a lot of your time. I felt like it was really solid. Could be improved upon, and maybe it will be now. Let's see. Of course, it could get worse, but I'm going to try not to think about that. Here's our goodies. Wee wee. Alright, pack 1. Alright, first up is Kenny Galladay, and then we have Ryan Tannehill, Baker Mayfield, and Landon Collins. And our first hit is Hakeem Butler. That is a 3-color jersey patch with stitching, on-card auto to 49. A little bit of white showing up here. I wish they could do a little bit better with that, but it's still not bad. That is a gorgeous card. There's nothing better than a good on-card auto paired with a really sweet patch. Nice. Alright. Oh, this is crazy thick. Must be a booklet. Let's hold on to that. Wow. That is cuckoo chew. Man, I hope it's somebody good. About to find out. Alright. Darius Leonard. There is a Josh Allen parallel to 75. Like a hollow. Then we have a Miles Boykin 1/1 NFL Shield. And then got a booklet on top of that. What a box. Oh, there it is, 1/1. Wow. Whoa. God, if that had some ink, that is gorgeous. Wow. Nice. Jameis Winston and Dalvin Cook. And now, this Mama Jamma. Let me set it aside. I'm going to try not to look. I'm going to try to get these regular cards out first, and then we'll look at them. Try not to peek. Don't peek. Don't peek. Okay. Edelman. Mark Ingram. Who is this? Oh, Jason Kelsey? I was about to say, not Travis. And AP. And the booklet is, numbered to 55. It is an ex-Alabama player, Quinton Williams. Draft day signature. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Letters. That's like the W maybe, an I. Nice. What a box. A 1/1 NFL Shield, and then a booklet to boot. That is so cool. Nice. Well, thanks for watching. Boy, that was something else. I thought box 1 was good. That just knocked that right out of the park. Thanks for watching, guys. Wow. Thanks. Thanks. That was a great box. Thanks, Panini. Ding. Everybody take care. Love you. Bye.